Hello and welcome to this video series enhancing our RESTful web services. In this video, we will cover about how to use request parameters and request body. So let's get started. Before we go ahead with looking into these attributes, let's go ahead and modify our application. Instead of having /topic as a path, on all the methods, we will say @request mapping and can say /topic over here. Then you actually don't need this and we can just say @get mapping. Same way here we could say @get mapping and it produces. We can remove the path from each and every place so that we have configured at one place only, that is the root level. Now let's go ahead and integrate the service class with our controller. So @autowired, and it has a dependency on topic service. Get topic, instead of now saying return new topic, we will take the help of this topic service dot get topic, passing in the ID. The ID will come from the user. So let's add as a parameter. Same way over here, to give it in the XML format, everything remains the same and we'll just replace that line of code with this. For @topic, it is going to take a parameter of type topic, and here I'll say topic added and we'll just say this topic service dot add topic and the topic object. Same way, this topic service dot update topic and the topic object. Same way, this topic service dot delete topic, taking in the ID as a parameter. Now get takes an ID as a parameter, @topic takes an topic object as a parameter. That means when this method is being called, the client is sending a reference of topic, maybe in the format of JSON or XML. It needs to understand the request, parse the body of the request, and convert the JSON or XML format to the Java object. We have an annotation @request body. Once done, go ahead and let's test the method add topic, and let's just see topic added, and we'll just return the topic object that's being added in the database. We'll say post header, I'll say content type, which is going to be of type JSON. Body, let's just change this. So let's see how many values do we have in database. We already have 1, 2, 3, Java, CSS and HTML. Let's go ahead and add a fourth value. So I'll say suppose ID 4. Here I'll say Angular, and description, maybe I'll say Angular for creating UI in a responsive way. Done. So we added header, application JSON, post, topic, done, send. You can see ID, name, description. Let's verify in the database as well. We'll execute and you can see the fourth one is entered in the database. This is how you use the @request body to parse the response from the body of the request. And the Spring jars takes care of converting the JSON object to the respective Java object. Same way, if you would see, the get method takes ID as a parameter. I can then say @request param, and we can pass the value to the ID and get the topic object for a respective ID. Let's go ahead and test this. I'll say here get, and for request param, the way you pass in is topic question mark, say ID is equals to 1. Send. You can see for ID 1, I got the ID, name and the description. Same way, you can go ahead and add the @request param for update and delete as well. So with this, we come to an end for this particular video.